Hello everyone, Keith here. I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon Machine Image, or AMI, from a running EC2 instance in today's video. If you're not wholly familiar with what an AMI is, it's essentially a base image for creating EC2 instances. You create these images of existing configured instances so you can more quickly spin up your desired infrastructure. Now let's get into it. We are currently in our EC2 dashboard. We are going to select the instance we wish to create an AMI from, and in this case, we have CyberNew test selected. You can proceed in one of two ways. You can either right-click, go to Image and create image, or you can simply go to Actions and proceed the same exact way. So go ahead and hit Create Image. After you've selected Create Image, you simply name your image, and then you can provide an optional image description. Now, you can also add additional EBS volumes that you can later partition and create file systems or add to existing volume groups. But for now, we're going to go ahead and keep the default configuration of this current EC2 instance. So once you've named it, simply click Create Image. Create Image Request Received. You can view your pending image here. So it may take a few minutes. It will be in the pending status, and then it will transition to available once it's done being created. All right, the status has changed to available. Now, when you launch an instance in the future, you'll have it listed under My AMIs, and you can then spin up new EC2 instances with that image. And just real quick, we'll show you what that looks like. Go to Launch Instance, go to My AMIs. CyberNew default, the one we just created, is now available, and then you can select it and proceed with launching a EC2 instance based off that image. And that's how you create an Amazon Machine Image. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, CyberNew. Until next time.